Box is 2012 Absolute Memorabilia. Gonna have 4 packs, 4 hits. Usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Sometimes they throw more autos in there though. These ones are gonna have the mini boxes. Why is this not opening? Yep, there we go. Gonna have 4 mini boxes. Let me get these mini boxes open real quick. Got some skinny packs, probably means base autos. There's a thicker one. And I got 3 skinny ones and a thick one. Alright, 2012 Panini Absolute, 4 packs, 4 hits. Pack number 1. Get it. All right. Nice insert. Gotta have an auto. Move that to the back. So got an insert and the hit. Inserts for the Ravens. Ed Reed, Hallworthy. That is numbered out of 100. Ed Reed for the Ravens out of 100. And the first hit is going to be, who else? The Philadelphia Eagles. Marvin McNutt. Auto, numbered out of 299. Marvin McNutt for the Eagles out of 299. There's pack number 1 on to pack number 2. And move the hit to the back. Got a rookie for the Ravens, Christian Thompson. Christian Thompson for the Ravens. That is, oh nice, numbered out of 50. Christian Thompson for the Ravens out of 50. Never heard of him, but at least it's low numbered. And hit number 2, going to, oh nice! For the Seahawks, Beast Mode, Marshawn Lynch. What's that numbered out of? 75. Nice hit. Marshawn Lynch, auto out of 75. Nice. Too bad they didn't give him the ball in the Super Bowl, though. Pack number 3. Getting the good hits rolling now. Looks like we're going to have a redemption. So got a rookie and got a redemption. Rookie for the Chargers, Ladarius Green. Ladarius Green for the Chargers. Numbered out of 399. Ladarius Green out of 399. And the hit is going to be an auto, but a redemption. See if I can get the words to show up. Nope. Spectrum Gold Auto, Michael Brockers. Michael Brockers. I think that's for the Rams, but not 100% positive. If somebody could look that one up for me, I'd appreciate it. Michael Brockers. Text isn't showing up. Michael Brockers. I believe for the Rams. That's going to be a Spectrum Gold auto. I think that's out of 99. So there's 3 packs. Just got 1 pack left. This one's the thick pack. So it's either a jersey or a jersey auto, hopefully. Move it to the back. Excuse me. Got a rookie for the Jaguars, Andre Branch. Andre Branch, numbered, where is it at? 399. Andre Branch out of 399. And the last hit is going to be for the Ravens, Bernard Pierce, single color jersey, numbered 48 out of 49. So nice low numbered. Bernard Pierce for the Ravens out of 49. So that does it for the hits.